Something new and excited thing. You want to listen? Yeah. Okay. From our group, someone is eating iCard. Who is eating iCard? Who was eating? Anna. Just Anna, you was also eating the iCard, and you was also eating the iCard. They were eating the iCard. We should eat iCard. No. What will happen if they will eat iCard? You will fall. You will fall sick. Sick. You will fall sick. How with the iCard? You stop eating your iCard, stop sucking your thumb, otherwise what will happen? Germs will go in your stomach and you will fall sick. And the good thing which you have shown that we should cover our mouth. I am giving, this is one paper, this I am giving, you just cough and close your mouth. Let me see, okay? I will not give to everybody, I will give to some people. Cover your mouth. So you have covered your mouth when you have coughed. Okay, children, why they have covered their mouth? Because the germs spread. Because the germs spread, and that should not spread to you. Right? Through the air, the germs spread, and the germ should not pass to you. That's why they have covered their mouth. Okay. Now, will you hold this? Okay. Now I'll show you. Can you see the germs? No? You cannot see the germs? Then how can you say that the germs is spreading? How can you say? Fail हो रहे थे. Feel हो रहा था. Because you're feeling that germs is spreading. Okay, but how you know that this from here the germs will spread this side only? How you will know? Because you cannot see. You cannot see the germs. Can you see the germs? So should I? Because it is very tiny. The germs are very tiny. You cannot see with your naked eyes. You cannot see the germs. So should I show you how the germs spread? Should I show you how the germs spread? Okay. Okay. You cannot see the germs, but you can see how the germs spread. Suppose I have cough. Okay, I have cough and the germs are there in my hand. And if I shake hand, hello. Hello. Say hello. Hello. Now can you see the chalk part? This way the germs spread. Now you say hello. You say hello to him. Now see your hand. Now you say hello to her. Yes. Now you see your hand. Yes. Few chalk particles are there. Yes or no? So through this, like this, the germs spread from one child to another child. Yes or no? So be careful. Use what? Use tissue paper or handkerchief. And suppose if you don't have, if you are going somewhere and you forgot your handkerchief. If suppose you forgot your handkerchief or tissue paper, so what you will do that time? Okay, you are on the road. Suppose on the way. Suppose you are on the way and no tissue paper, no handkerchief is there. Then what you will do? Hotel is not there. Yes, what we will use? Yes, we will cover with our hand. And that hand, what you will do then? Immediately you will wash that hand. Immediately you will. If you are not washing your hand, then what will happen? The germs will spread. The germs will spread. So your mouth with your hand. Come on. Do the acting, do pretend. No need of this. Pretend. You also. Okay. Now what I will do with this my hand? Wash. How I taught you how to wash? You will take soap or Dettol, or if water is not there, then sanitizer. Okay. So I am taking little soap. Come on, take it. Now how I have taught you how to wash? You have washed like this. Then what is the second step? Between your both the hand. Yes. Then again. Then again rub. Yes, your nails. Yes. Then again rub. Now open the tap. Now wash it nicely. Now shall we go in the washroom and wash our hand? Yes. Go. Start.